Hello there, besties. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi. We do nail art here. If you're down with that, I think you should hit the subscribe button and ring my bell. You know why? Because I upload 3 times a week, baby. Now we are going to work on these 5 nails. We're going to do a set, and that means we're going to have a slightly longer video today. Not as long as some, but it's hard to cram 5 nails into a 10-minute video. It just is. That's why sometimes you get 2-parters. What? So we did paint these nails with those colors I showed you. The green is the Elite 99 and the black is the Model 1s. And now we're just going to make a yellow stripe. We're going to do that on both of the black nails. I'm only going to force you to watch one. And I don't really do like a full second coat, but I did come in and anywhere that it seemed like it wasn't solid enough, I did come in and add a little extra after the first cure. But as you can see with the smaller detailer brush, I'm just cleaning up the sides and floating that polish in all the areas I want it to be so that we have a nice stripe of yellow tape. I know you know where I'm going with that. Now we're going to make our little detective. And he's just going to be a silhouette because you know your girl can't draw faces, right? That's just... maybe one day. I have aspirations, but as of right now, that is not a skill I possess. So silhouettes is what you're gonna get today and every day. Today and every day. Yeah, I know. I just sang for you. I like to sing a song. I like to sing a song. Do you want to sing along? Now we're making his little detective hat. And I guess you would have to say he is sort of a 1950s-ish kind of detective. But that is the image that came to mind. And also it came to mind with the help of my gorgeous daughter. Because I was talking to her about doing a set of crime scene nails. And she said, Mom, you should put a detective. And I'm like, oh. And then she sent me some pictures of detective silhouettes. And I'm like, oh, maybe I could do that. And here we are doing it. So I'm squaring off his shoulder a little. I thought that looked a little round. Because, you know, they put the pads in the jackets, right? He's got a little zoot suit style going. Now, you know what? The jacket's not really long enough for that. But you're not going to be able to really see the jacket separated from the pants. I only outlined it so that I'd know where his hand should hit for his pocket without his arm looking ridiculously long. Visual cues, if you will. And I do actually come in and give this a very light second coat because it is hard to get a good look on black with just one coat. It's doable, but this is the gel, the solid cream gels. So, no, that's just not really going to work. And if you did get full opacity in one complete coat, that probably wouldn't cure. So, I didn't even try to do that. Now I'm just coming in and putting a little space where his neck is, cleaning up his leg, cleaning up the sides, making sure everything looks good. We don't want to cure sloppy, right? Because once you cure it, never coming off. So there's a lot of cleaning, you know. I am the queen of cleaning. And actually, there was a lot more than that I didn't show you, okay? We would have been here, even though this is sped up, we would have been here a minute. So now we're coming in. Before anyone can even clown me for it, I'm going to clown myself. Yes, my lettering needs so much work, but guys, that's the point of doing things like this that intimidate me because that's how my skills are going to grow. So I will admit 100% that my lettering is not on point with this one. I'm okay with it. I think that it's still cute. I think that the effect is still there. And I think that I would still rock these nails. So, come for me. Come for me in the comment section. I'm cool with it. I want all the comments, good, bad, or otherwise. Share me in the Clown This Chick groups. I don't care. Do what you got to do, boo. Do you. So we're just doing crime scene. I really thought about it. I couldn't decide. Did I want police line or do not cross? And then I thought, well, I'm doing crime scene nails, just say crime scene. So I put crime scene. And I don't know, I think it works. I could have done police, but I thought, oh my God, police has an O and a C in it. And even though this has an S and a C in it and was really hard, 2 C's actually, I just wanted, it was so hard to pick, but I decided since I'm calling them crime scene nails, I would just write crime scene. Now I really like my R, but I don't think it matches the rest. Oh my God, and we're gonna add a couple stripes here because there's usually some stripes or something on the crime scene tape. This nail is going to get matte top coat, but it's not going to stay matte top coated. I just needed a matte finish so that I would be able to paint on it and really be able to lay down, because I'm going to do, you'll see in a minute, I needed a matte top coat, and you'll see why in a minute. So now I'm just adding a couple of drops of blood. You know, like if they splattered, right? Like a splatter. Now I'm going to cure that up real quick. Now I'm just going to take my finger with a little bit of gel, and you're going to want to clean your finger off right away. And I'm going to make 2 fingerprints, bloody fingerprints. Now on that matte nail, this is why I wanted it matte. I'm going to paint a knife blade shape into the nail in black, and I am going to give it 2 coats, but I only make you watch 1. Come on, I'm not cruel to you like that. And then we're going to top coat it as well, because we're going to use some silver chrome, baby, and we don't want it to stick to the rest of the nail, so I use the matte top coat so that we'd be able to get the clean look that we're going for on that. Now I'm going to add a little more blood. We've got a little bit, excuse me guys, there's a little smoke in the air again today, so I'm a little, We're going to add a little blood around the fingerprints. And then just sort of messy it up a little. And then just make that a splatter, right? Like where one of the drops sort of splatted on something. Little blood in the corners, just to give a real, there's blood everywhere effect, right? And this is actually the Yay Yogi gel paint. It'll be in the description, but I want to say it's 012. And it's mixed with a little bit of top coat to thin it out so that I could work with it a little better and make those splatters and stuff look a little more realistic, because it's not as thick as the Model 1s, but gel paints usually are a little on the thicker side, and so adding it to a little top coat, wow, that went out of focus a little. I'm sorry. I don't know what the camera was doing there. But it just makes it spread a little nicer if you add a little top coat. If you need to, you know, do things like drops and whatnot, it just makes it a little easier. And I have some on this stick. I was starting to run low. I end up making more, but I didn't want to stop and make it right now, so I just was pulling it up with that stick so I could get some little drops. I wasn't sure if I was going to leave this nail with just him or not, but I ended up thinking that a little blood as a frame around him would look really cool. Actually, I think this one turned out to be my favorite nail. Although I really actually like the knife nail too. So, I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section what's your favorite one. Of course, you're going to want to watch to the end to be able to make that distinction. Now, we are coming in with that chrome powder, and we're just going to hit that knife. And that's why we needed it to be black, so it would really shine. If you just used top coat, it would not have looked like a knife. It would have just looked like a shiny line. And granted, does it look like a real knife? No, it does not. Now I'm going to top coat it. And we've still got one more step. one more step on that nail, which actually really kind of is the thing that brings it to life, I think. It really brings it home. And that is blood. Okay, this is a bloody, bloody set, you guys. And we're just going to put some drops of blood that are clearly coming off the knife and a little bit of blood on the knife. Oh my, I don't know who that was. Wasn't for me. I'm not expecting anyone. Now we're going to cure that up after one more drop of blood. Oh my goodness. And now we're just going to do a little more blood on this guy. But we are coming to the end, guys. It's time for some top coat. Guys, I had so much fun making these. I know they're over the top and a little bit crazy, but it's the time of year to do over the top and crazy. And honestly, everyone who loves long nails is a little over the top and crazy anyway. So why not just let your flags fly, right? Just do you, boo. Let it happen. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section how you felt about this set. Would you wear them? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you like them? Are they good? I think they came out really fun. They're very cartoony and very fun. I said fun already. But here they are, the absolute finished set. I think they would look pretty cute in matte too, but I think that if you really want that blood to pop, you're going to want to do shiny. Guys, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. We are in the final home stretch of Halloween week, so look forward to some more spooky things coming your way this week. We will see you on Wednesday's video. Mwah! Bye-bye.